everyone, my name is Vianney from Eiffel Glimpse, and today I'm going to be sharing my Celestial theme bracelet. This bracelet might be facing changes soon just because Pandora did release some newer Celestial beads that I would really love to add to this bracelet, but I would like to share this version of it. To start off, the bracelet is on a 7.1 bracelet which has the Starry night clasp. So we can see we have one larger star with a really pretty CZ on this side. And then this side, it's a lot of little tiny CZs with stars to represent more of like a starry night sky. To start off, it's more of a space holder. It is the Aloha Spacer. I added these just because I have quite a few of them and they match this Zodiac sign charm. So this is a little cameo and it is the ram because that is what represents Aries. So as we can see, the actual bail of this dangle is the Aloha Spacer. So that's why it's on here, because it kind of adds more of the repetition and adds to the design with this. But I thought my zodiac sign would look really great on here. That's the front and this is the back. Then kind of keeping on that note, which I skipped over, it is this Zodiac Symbol. These are now retired, but they were around for quite a while. It is the Aries one, so we can see here it has the 3 plates representing Aries, and it has some stars here in between. And this little star looks like this one, so that's great. Then here we have this bead, but I use it more as if it were a spacer. This is super old school and has definitely seen better days, but it has a sun, some stars, and some crescent moons on there. Then here we have the moonstone. This one is the mini faceted Murano. It's so lovely. I really love these. Or actually no, this is not a moonstone. This is the opal. It's like an opal bead. Sorry. Really love it. And it's so cute, nice and milky stone. Then we have this bead, which also looks more of a spacer just because it's so tiny. It's super old. This one is the one that has the star cutouts, and it's rumored to be one of the last of the Pandora 2020 20th anniversary release charms. It'll be quite interesting because I'm not too sure where they will fit in the 20th mark, but it's very cute. It's a very cute bead. Then here we have one of my first spacers, actually one of the first spacer I ever purchased back in 2013. It's the moon on one side with a little star and a little CZ, and the sun on the other side. The little details on the lips have slightly worn off of the face just because this is so old, and there was a time where this bracelet and this clip was on a bracelet that was getting used daily, so of course it had to take a little bit of a toll on the clip, but very much still love this charm. Then we have the Opal Spacers to continue with the faceted charm from before. And I have those because I think they look so great with this, which is, I think, definitely should be mother of pearl. With, I think that's black enamel and not black onyx, but it's so pretty. It just catches the light so beautifully. And I truly regret not buying these in stores. I got this one just kind of on a miracle when it hit Rue Lala. So because of that, I was not able to get a second one. I would really love to have another one to have the pair of these just because it's such a gorgeous piece. Really beautifully made. Then I have this super old school spacer, which is kind of stars layered in a row. Really nice and cute. I did try to reoxidize this a while ago, but the color just doesn't really seem to darken up on this. Maybe in a few years it will improve. Then we have this, which is actually a natural stone. We can see that it's clear and it has these black specks of things that just naturally occur in this stone. And I thought it would look really good with the bracelet overall. And I thought it would look really good with the bracelet overall. Oh, there we can see them really good. All those little like things in the stone. And it is a dangle, not a decorative bail. Then we have this one, which is super fun. It's the planet. So we can see here's the ring and here's the heart, which peeks through, and another heart that peeks through here. And it's got that really pretty glittery like off-white enamel. Really cute. Then we have another planet. This one has craters and CZs, and this one I oxidized it again recently, and it really did a beautiful job on the oxidization of this one. So beautiful. And this one is long time retired piece. Then we have another spacer, the opal, to add some symmetry and balance to the bracelet. The same clip, the moon and the sun. Then we have again this star bead, which has little cutouts. We have this one, which I think represents the moon and all the craters of the moon. This is also a super old piece. Another one of those faceted charms. Then we have another one of these with the sun, the moon, the crescent moon, and the stars. Another aloha spacer. And then to finish this off, it's this clip, which has this star with some medium-sized CZs and all the little prongs that hold it down. It's a really old piece. So again, like I said in the beginning, this is the current version of this bracelet. It's going to be facing some changes just because I really do love the newer Celestial charms. And yeah, we'll see what comes of it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until the next time, bye-bye.